Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Here's the explanation and the solution to the problem. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. Now let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. That's the end of today's lesson. If you found this walkthrough practical, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code repair videos. Stay enthusiastic, keep advancing, and happy coding everyone.